What if some of the smartest investors in the world were quietly preparing for the future while everyone else was distracted? History shows that wealthy investors often move their money before the rest of the world realizes what's happening. While the public is reacting to headlines and short-term market movements, the rich are usually thinking years ahead. They study economic trends, identify opportunities early, and position themselves before those opportunities become obvious. Right now, many wealthy individuals and large investors are shifting their money into certain types of investments. They rarely announce these moves publicly, but by studying market trends and financial patterns, we can see where smart money may be heading. In this video, we're going to explore why the rich are quietly buying certain investments right now and what these decisions may reveal about the future of the global economy. The wealthy approach investing very differently from the average person. Instead of reacting emotionally to market fluctuations, they focus on long-term trends, economic cycles, and strategic opportunities. When uncertainty appears in the economy, many people panic and pull their money out of investments. Wealthy investors, however, often see uncertainty as an opportunity to position themselves for the next phase of growth. Understanding where experienced investors are placing their money can offer valuable insight into the future direction of markets. In this video, we'll explore 7 types of investments that many wealthy investors are quietly paying attention to right now and why these areas may become increasingly important in the coming years. But before we begin, if you enjoy content about money, investing, and financial success, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable insights that could help you improve your financial future. Now let's take a closer look at where smart money may be moving. 1. Artificial intelligence and advanced technology. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries across the world. Businesses are using AI to automate processes, analyze massive amounts of data, and develop smarter products and services. Because of this massive potential, many wealthy investors are paying close attention to companies that are building the infrastructure behind AI technology. Artificial intelligence is not just a temporary trend. It represents a long-term transformation of how businesses operate. As this technology continues to develop, companies involved in AI systems, advanced computing, and automation could play a major role in the global economy. 2. Renewable energy and clean technology. Another area attracting significant attention from investors is renewable energy. As countries around the world work to reduce carbon emissions and move toward sustainable energy sources, the demand for renewable solutions continues to grow. Investments connected to solar energy, wind power, and other sustainable technologies are receiving increasing attention as governments and companies invest heavily in clean energy infrastructure. Wealthy investors often recognize long-term global shifts early, and the transition toward renewable energy is one of the most significant economic changes of our time. 3. Digital infrastructure. The modern world runs on digital systems. Data centers, cloud computing networks, and high-speed communication technology support everything from online banking and streaming services to artificial intelligence and global business operations. As more companies rely on digital platforms and online services, the demand for digital infrastructure continues to expand. Many investors see this as a long-term growth area because the global economy is becoming increasingly digital. 4. Healthcare and biotechnology. Medical innovation is advancing rapidly, and the healthcare industry continues to evolve. Breakthroughs in biotechnology, genetic research, and medical technology are opening new possibilities for treating diseases and improving quality of life. As populations grow and people live longer, the demand for healthcare services and medical innovation will likely increase. Wealthy investors often focus on industries that solve major global challenges, and healthcare remains one of the most important sectors for future development. 5. Strategic natural resources. Modern technologies depend heavily on specific natural resources used in electronics, energy systems, and advanced manufacturing. As the demand for new technologies increases, the need for these critical materials may also rise. Many investors understand that industries like renewable energy, electronics, and transportation rely on certain resources to function. This makes natural resources connected to technology production an important area of long-term interest. 6. Real estate in key growth areas. Despite fluctuations in property markets, real estate continues to attract attention from wealthy investors. However, the focus is often on strategic locations rather than random property purchases. Cities experiencing strong economic growth, population increases, and infrastructure development often attract long-term real estate investment. Wealthy investors often look for areas where economic activity is expanding and demand for housing and commercial space may grow over time. 7. Businesses that solve real problems. Perhaps one of the most consistent patterns among wealthy investors is their focus on businesses that solve real-world problems. Companies that provide valuable services, innovative technologies, or essential products often have strong long-term potential. Instead of chasing short-term trends, experienced investors often look for businesses that create real value in society. These companies may be better positioned to grow as industries evolve. The wealthy rarely make investment decisions based purely on emotion or short-term news. Instead, they study global trends, economic cycles, and emerging technologies to identify opportunities before they become widely recognized. Right now, many investors are paying attention to areas such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, digital infrastructure, healthcare innovation, strategic resources, and expanding urban economies. These sectors are connected to powerful global trends that may shape the future of the economy. While no investment is guaranteed to succeed, understanding where experienced investors are focusing their attention can provide valuable insights into potential long-term opportunities. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about money, investing, and financial strategies, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments below, which of these investments do you think has the biggest potential in the future? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed this video. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Thank you so much for watching, and we truly appreciate your time. See you in the next video.